Let's learn how to add and subtract mixed numbers. A mixed number is a whole number plus a fraction, like 2 and 3/4. Let's start with an example. Adding 2 and 3/4 plus 1 and 2/3. The first step is to convert each mixed number to an improper fraction. 4 2 and 3/4. Multiply 2 times 4, which is 8, then add 3, giving us 11. The denominator stays 4. 4 1 and 2/3. Multiply 1 times 3, which is 3, then add 2, giving us 5. The denominator stays 3. Step 2, find a common denominator. The denominators are 4 and 3. Their least common multiple is 12. Multiply 11/4 by 3 over 3 to get 33/12. Multiply 5/3 by 4 over 4 to get 20/12. Step 3, add the numerators and keep the common denominator. 33 plus 20 equals 53/12. Step 4, convert back to a mixed number. Divide 53 by 12. The quotient is 4 with a remainder of 5. Therefore, the final answer is 4 and 5/12. Let's try a subtraction example. 3 and 2/5 minus 1 and 3/4. First, convert to improper fractions. 3 and 2/5 become 17/5. 1 and 3/4 become 7/4. Find a common denominator. The least common multiple of 5 and 4 is 20. Multiply 17/5 by 4 over 4 to get 68/20. Multiply 7/4 by 5 over 5 to get 35/20. Subtract the numerators and keep the common denominator. 68 minus 35 equals 33/20. Finally, convert back to a mixed number. 33 divided by 20 equals 1 with a remainder of 13. Therefore, the final answer is 1 and 13/20. To summarize when adding or subtracting mixed numbers, first, convert to improper fractions. Second, find a common denominator. Third, add or subtract the numerators. Finally, convert back to a mixed number if needed.